What's up, guys? And today we're going to be talking about the snowstorm that is going to be impacting the Midwest this weekend, and we'll also be looking at the snowfall amounts from the snowfall. But before we get into this, I would ask you to subscribe if you do like weather-related content, and make sure to go check out my social medias right down below in the description. Anyways, let's get right into this forecast. So right now we are looking at the GFS composite reflectivity, and you can see a little winter storm hitting the northeast about now. And fast forward this, you can still see some mountain snow about over in Colorado and Utah, and not Utah, but Wyoming and Nebraska. That will turn into a snowstorm that will be impacting Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Illinois. It'll move across those whole states. You see some possible ice storm in the southern parts of these states. And then what's it about? And you also see rain below where the possibly actually blizzard conditions, where you could see. And this very dark blue right there, kind of where that yellow rain is, that's where you might see blizzard conditions. And all across here, this is all snow, maybe some heavy snow in the southern parts of the snow. But this is for early Monday, about Monday morning. Actually, this is Monday morning. This is Monday late night. This is about Sunday late night, and then I'll move into Monday morning. This is Monday morning. You can see some rain bands starting to take shape down here in the Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi. That'll keep moving through, and you can see some pretty strong rain bands actually developing all across the southern Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky. This is where you're going to see some pretty heavy rainfall. And you can still see some snow still developing behind this. And move that forward, you can still see some more blizzard conditions in the southern Illinois parts, and some light snow in Missouri. And then that heavy snow will move into Indiana. Some very strong rain bands. Some very strong rain bands all across these states right here. This is where you're going to see possibly flash flooding. This cannot be ruled out, but make sure to keep an eye on those flash flood warnings. And some ice and mix over here in this pink colors, and that'll move us to Tuesday morning. You see some mix and ice over here in this, and a line of snow moving across the region. Still some heavy rain bands over here in the moving into the Carolinas and Georgia. And those rain bands will move all the way to the East Coast about late Tuesday afternoon. And you can see some pretty heavy snow, possibly on the east coast of Maine, and snow all across of the region of the Northeast. And that'll finish the snowstorm off. You can see some lake effect snow, Michigan, and the New York. The lake effect snow, it's a pretty widespread lake effect snow, actually, about late Wednesday afternoon. That lake effect snow is very widespread, and you can see that'll last about until Thursday morning. Next, we're going to be looking at the snowfall amounts for this. Alright, so now we're looking at the total snowfall for this snowstorm. When it's hitting the Midwest, you'll come out in these pink and white, almost white colors. This is where you're going to see up to 8 inches of snow. In these much purpler colors, so you're going to see much like up to about 3 inches of snow. It's definitely not that much, but in these pink and white colors, this is where you're gonna see up to about a foot of snow or 8 inches, between 8 or 12 inches of snow. And a lot of this extra, the reason why it's showing some green colors in there, some extra snow. This is from the lake effect snow. Over in the Michigan tips, you can see some up to about 8 inches of 7 or 8 inches of snow. But that is not going to be very widespread. So just reminding you. And pretty much this whole part of the Northeast, you're gonna see up to a foot of snow. Over in the East Coast, you can even see up to a foot of snow. But that'll about wrap up today's video. I would recommend subscribing if you do like weather-related content. And make sure to check out my social medias right down below in the description. Anyways, stay safe.